Hello students, we have a numerical problem and this numerical problem is the length of an inclined plane at 30 degree is 20 meter. Length of an inclined plane at 30 degree, this is 30 degree and this length is 20 meter. This length is 20 meter. A sphere of mass 5 kg, mass of a sphere is given 5 kg. It starts rolling from rest. Here, its velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0. It starts rolling from rest, means omega naught is equal to 0. From rest, from the top of the plane, if there is 20% loss of kinetic energy, means here there is 20% loss of kinetic energy due to friction etc. Then calculate the velocity of the sphere at the bottom of the plane. Calculate the velocity of the sphere at the bottom of the plane. Now first of all, we should observe that why the ball is rolling. What kind of energy the ball had at the peak point of this incline. This energy is actually potential energy. And you know, potential energy is equal to mgh. So first of all, we should find the height h. And in order to find the height, you have the formula sine 30 is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So h is equal to, directly you can find h is equal to 20 into 1 by 2, 10. Height is 10. So what about potential energy? Potential energy of the body at this position, potential energy is equal to mgh. M is 5, z is 10 and this is 10. So this will be, actually the value of g is given, g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So g is equal to 9.8. So this can be written as 98 multi 5 and this will be 490 joule. This is 490. Potential energy at the highest point of the plane is 490. When the ball reaches the bottom, its total potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. But here there is loss in the kinetic energy and that loss is 20%. So 20% of 490 will be loss in kinetic energy will be what? Loss in kinetic energy is equal to 20 upon 100 of 490. So this will be 98 joule. 98. So what about the total kinetic energy at the bottom? Total kinetic energy at the bottom will be potential energy minus loss in kinetic energy. So kinetic energy at the bottom will be 490 minus 98 and this will be 392 joule. And what will be the total kinetic energy at the bottom? It will be translational kinetic energy plus rotational kinetic energy, means 1 by 2 I omega square and this is equal to 392. So 1 by 2 mv square plus 1 by 2, you know, the moment of inertia of a sphere is 2 by 5 mr square, and this is omega square. This is equal to 392. You know, v is equal to r omega. So this will be what? 1 by 5 mv square, and this is 1 by 2 mv square. So this will be 10, 5 to mv square is equal to 392. 7 upon 10 mv square is equal to 392. So v square is equal to 392 multi 10 upon 7 upon m is equal to 5. So this can be written as 5 to the 10, and this will be 7 5 the 35 and 7 6 the 42. This will be, I think it will be 112. So what about v? V is equal to under root 112, and its unit will be meter per second. We can solve it. Thanks.